to the airport, look, all the luggage, and it's very exciting. I'm looking forward to be in Berlin, but my husband's not. We had overweight because this airline we're now flying with, Air Berlin, is different than Iberia, and what worked on the flight here didn't work on the flight back, and we needed to do crazy stuff to manage it, and then we paid 100 euros and got it. I need to scale down on my clothing, although I don't have much, but we're traveling with all our film equipment, inclusive lights and microphones and cameras, so to make videos for you guys. So for the next travels we need to just scale down even more, and our big computer with which we cut everything, with which we edit the videos, it's already on the way. It's shipped to Berlin, so yeah, I'm excited, and I'm really looking forward to be in Berlin, connect with cool people, all the people that I have missed while I was here, and having just so much access to so much that you just don't have on an island, although you have the beach, you have the mountains, and really cool people. So Las Palmas is really also a nice hub for very nice people, and we made good friends that we will visit for sure again. But the next destination will be somewhere else. But first, let's see what awaits us in Berlin, because I have no idea how our flat looks after we have rented it out. So let's see. Guess why we are in our hotel now? Because we have sublet our flat to very nice people, but they were totally idiots, and they have left the flat in a mess, and they have even thrown out our, like, I think 1,200 euro carpet, so they have just damaged everything. So now it's the next morning. We didn't sleep very well, although we had a beautiful bed and a nice room with a beautiful view that I will show you later. Or do you see it? You already see everything. Yeah. So this is Berlin, and yeah, now we will go back into our beautiful flat that is not beautiful anymore, and we will see what we can do. We will meet the guys and then see. I think they don't know how much value the things had that they damaged. So it's much more than the money that we kept as security. And I hope we can fix this somehow. But anyway, it's nice to be in Berlin. And although we came into ruins, although the flat was what I was most happy about to see again and to sleep in our beautiful bed that is now ruined, I'm so happy to be here because it's so funny and it's warm, and summer in Berlin is my favorite thing now. Oh, look! The signature plants from Berlin, the linden trees. Sorry. So now we have finished our first day of teacher training, and we're here eating delicious food. The girls. And it's fun. Yeah, so we didn't film at all yet in our teacher training. Now it's the last day of our first weekend, and I will introduce the last girls who still are here, although the class is already over. Now just tell who you are, where you come from.
Hi, I'm Jayden from Istanbul.
Cool.
Hi, I'm Daphne, and I'm from Mauritius, half of Spain, and living in Berlin.
Hello, I'm Agate. I come from Bali.
And you came all the way from Bali to Berlin?
Yes.
She came all the way from Bali.
Hi, ich bin Yvonne. Ich bin von Bodensee.
Hi, I'm Lena. I'm from Berlin.
This was it. So I'm heading home from the teacher training, and I have to say that I always attract the coolest girls into the teacher trainings. I'm so happy. They are such an amazing group and they're just incredible. I'm very tired and super happy, and I really enjoy Berlin. It's just so cool in summer. The weather never changes like in the Canaries, and it's just full of people that are interesting, and it's just a very, very good feeling. So many memories, and I hadn't seen any friend because of the flat disaster. We needed to do so many things, and now after the training, maybe tonight, I can grab some friends and see them after 7.5 months and just relax and chill and